This might just be the most satisfying purchase you will make this entire month. This might just most satisfying is undoubtedly an absolute lifesaver. Wait, do not swipe away just yet. The engineering behind this unit is brilliant, ensuring that the engineering behind it is brilliant. It is incredibly user-friendly and built out of highly durable components. The standout factor is definitely how it cuts down your daily stress significantly. It delivers top-tier results effortlessly. If you want something that actually works, as advertised, this is it. Don't wait until it's backordered everywhere while stocks last. This might just be the most satisfying purchase you will make this entire month. This might just most satisfying is undoubtedly an absolute lifesaver. Wait, do not swipe away just